The Story of a Notebook by Emily. Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Emily who loved writing stories. She carried a small notebook wherever she went, filled with stories she had scribbled down. It was her prized possession as it held all her ideas and dreams. One day, Emily found an old, tattered notebook that looked like it had gone through a lot. She opened it and found it was filled with stories. She was amazed and began to read them, finding that they were some of the most creative stories she had ever read. She realized that this belonged to an author long before her time who had written some breathtaking stories. Emily kept the notebook close to her and began to keep up with his stories, even writing some of her own in the same book. Eventually, the stories in the notebook inspired Emily so much that she began to write her own stories and publish them. She had a successful career as an author and was well known for her works.